In under 3 minutes, a fluffy mug cake can rise from simple pantry staples like flour, sugar, and cocoa. Mix dry ingredients in the mug, then whisk in milk, oil, and a splash of vanilla until smooth. A quick stir after microwaving reveals a warm center and a comforting aroma that turns a quick snack into an indulgence. Top with a dollop of yogurt, fruit, or melted chocolate for a personal finish and extra depth. This tiny bake proves you can master a crave-worthy dessert with minimal tools and zero oven fuss.